welcome to my video. I know it's been a while, but I'm really trying my best to keep coming up with new videos. This time I went for gouache again, and I have to admit I'm really falling in love with this medium. I discovered it last year and just kept practicing and experimenting with it. It's just so satisfying, and I love how the colors and the textures turn out. Here at first I wanted to paint a desert. I had this whole idea of camels walking in the sand under the sun, crossing the dunes in the desert, but then it turned into a canyon with cacti for some reason. I usually paint things which inspire me at that particular moment, or things I think about a lot. And to be honest, it's the easiest way for me to find topics for my sketchbook. I just look around myself and find things to paint, or I don't know, just get inspired from books I read or the movies I watch. So I often start with a blurry idea of what I want, what I picture in my head, and then it just transforms into something different most of the time. Here I'm kind of continuing the story of my main character, who is traveling in some dreamy world in his tiny boat. And also, it's not something I planned from the beginning. Guess I just like boats and playing with reflections and skies. I started with the ground because when you look at the picture, it's in the background, and I usually start with the background layer and add things on top of it step by step. Then I did the rocks, added the shadow to them. I think I was heavily inspired by those retro illustrated posters of the National Parks of America. I really love the style. Then I thought I needed some cacti. I really like how it turned out in the end, although it's not as detailed as I imagined it in the beginning. Anyways, I'll let you enjoy the video. I hope you like the final look. Yeah, I hope you like it.